Hi, second graders. Today we are going to take the 10th PAF Proficiency Test for spelling. So you had a blue packet that I gave to way back in March when we first started distance learning. And proficiency test number 10, I think, was the second page in that packet. So hopefully you still have it. It looks like this. This one's white, but yours is blue. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can write these words on any other page. Okay, just number from 1 to 12. We're going to have 12 spelling words, and then there will be 3 sentences to write. All right, let's get started. I'm not going to tap them out for you today. I'm not going to give any hints. I'm just going to say the word, use it in a sentence, and then say the word again. So just do the best you can with spelling. Okay? The first one, number 1, huge. We found a huge rock in the lot across the street. Huge. And you can push pause after each word if I'm going too fast for you. Number 2, summer. Can you believe it's almost summer? Summer. Number 3, chance. I didn't have a chance to tell you all a proper goodbye before we ended the year. Chance. Number 4, simple. My niece Gracie said that making Rice Krispie bars is very simple. Simple. That was number 4. Number 5, fudge. Gracie bakes all kinds of things, even fudge. Fudge. Number 6, center. We walked to the center of the park. Center. Number 7, middle. I am a middle child. I have an older sister and a younger brother, and I am in the middle. Middle. Number 8, penny. A gumball used to cost 1 penny. Penny. Number 9, planet. Elam, what is your favorite planet? Planet. Number 10, dinner. Josh grilled hamburgers for dinner last night. Dinner. Number 11, biggest. That was the biggest spider I've ever seen. Biggest. And number 12, peaceful. It is so peaceful in our house after Will goes to sleep. Peaceful. And now we'll do 3 sentences. So I'll say the sentence, and then I'll say it again. And you can push pause, and if you need to back it up to re-listen to the sentences again. And then when you think you have it, then push resume, and I'll say the sentence one more time, and you should touch each word as I say it to make sure you've got all the words. And then also just make sure that you start with a capital letter and that you've got the right end mark. All right, here we go. Number 1. The women laughed when the baby made a funny face. The women laughed. So more than one. The women. The women laughed when the baby made a funny face. Touch each word. The women laughed when the baby made a funny face. Sentence number 2. My ankle felt better once I stopped running. My ankle felt better once I stopped running. Okay, touch each word and make sure you have them all. My ankle felt better once I stopped running. And again, if you need to back it up and re-listen to it, that's okay. In the classroom, you could raise your hand and say, can you repeat that? Third sentence, last sentence. People were lining up even before the store opened. People were lining up even before the store opened. All right, touch each word. People were lining up even before the store opened. And just double check that you've got capital letters and end marks. And when you are satisfied with your work, you can take a picture of it and send it my way. Great job.